motherfuckers! How you doing? I'm back. Look at this shit. I got a bike. Oh my god, it's amazing. Oh, How is mogelijk? God damn it. Look at this garage though. Oh, isn't that beautiful? Got a little pit bike over here. A little Honda Monkey replica that has been converted to a mini supermoto. It's fucking dope. Dope as shit, bro. Look at that thing. It's fucking hilarious. We've actually taken it to track. The only thing you can do when you're riding this shit is like just laugh your fucking balls off or something, if that's even possible. But I think I did because my voice got higher when I rode it. I was like, that's my new beast, the Honda XR600R. It's tuned. It goes very fast. It's like the speed of sound, you know. And it's got like a nice backlight right here. It's beautiful. And we got a nice cut front fender because I broke it like the first day when I got it. I was like, and it broke. Then we got a nice little Honda HM. And this is the 125cc beast. Oi, oi, oi. It's a beautiful bike. Yes, it's a beautiful, beautiful little beastie. Oi, 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 oi. Very nice. Hey, gang, we out here. We out here. We back at it again with the Honda team. Look at this, old XR, and we got a CR, and we got an HM. Bro, we out here. Oh. She's bloody mental, mate. Shit is bloody mental.
Oh my god! Wow!
Oh, Jesus Christ. I hope you guys don't have as much wind noise as I do because it's fucking windy today, man. Holy shit. Oh, Jesus. It fucking hurts my wrist, man, when I do wheelies. It hurts like hell. It's still from the accident I had like 1.5 years ago. I can still feel that shit. Because it's also cold right now, so I feel it even more. That kind of sucks. Because when it's cold, it gets more stiff. It's actually the first time we're riding together again in like 2 fucking years. That's pretty incredible. Look at that sunset. Oh, shit. I am quite frankly enjoying myself right now. We're out here with the kids riding again. That's some good times. He said, what's up? Woo! We of course gotta take it easy because we got a moped with us. Oh, the whole setup is basically new, so we still have to take it pretty slow so we don't destroy it the first day. Would be cool to like fucking ride on the side of this. Just imagine that. With a motocross bike, it's easily done. Oh shit. My wrist, man, it's not the best, seriously. But in the summer, it's all nice and it works. It does the job, you know. We out here, we out here. Always look to the right. Even if you're a fucking idiot like us, you're scooting around and you're like a fucking asshole, riding like just a bloody asshole. Always look around you. If you're being an asshole, be it in places you can be an asshole. Thank you very much, miss. We got some stairs. Gotta take it easy through those corners, man. You don't know what's coming around the corner. With the squad again, this feels good. I'm gonna make a video where I assemble this shit and take it all apart. I'm gonna upload it on Clueless Moto that's a new name for our channel. It first was Fast Loud Dive, as you may know. For all the 10 people that watch it, will probably know. Let's hope there are no cops here. We're getting up there. It's been a while, man, since I've ridden. It's been like fucking 5 months probably, or like 4 months, almost 5, since I've ridden. So it's been a while, man. Damn. Beep. Beep. So this ride ended pretty quickly. His front wheel is stuck again, or the front brake I should say.
They ask you how you are, you just have to say that you're fine when you're not really fine, but you just can't get into it because they would never understand.
I'm actually on rescue tour right now to get some tools so we can let some brake fluid out of his front brake system. That way the pressure is off the plate and it doesn't, I don't know, get stuck again. And we can ride home. I want to schneller fahren, but there's way too much cars. There's cars everywhere because right now it is like 5 o'clock. So that means there's a lot of cars. Everybody is coming from the work because it is like a Donderstag. Yes, yes. A very good English, bro. Well, we're back. I got my backpack with some tools. I don't know if you guys can see that. So let's go and save somebody. Well, we're not really saving that, but we're the fucking rescue. Oh, this sucks. Now there's cars. God damn it! God damn it! Shoot in front of it. Like an asshole. Yep, okay, we're good. That was a dick move! But it had to be done. But sometimes, if you're on a mission, you gotta sacrifice something. That's how it is. That's just how it is, man. And we're on a mission, a very important mission. There's a lot at stake here. Actually, there's nothing at stake, but I'm on a mission, okay? Okay, mission, okay, come on, let's go, let's go, let's go. Schneller fahren. That's so funny to me, I don't know why. It doesn't even matter how hard I try, I keep being reminded of that. Right, blah, 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 blah. Down on the dog, come on, if you're in this lane, you gotta go a little bit faster, bro. Oh my god, you're going slow. Jesus. Going on the Autobahn, schneller fahren. I wonder if you guys can hear me right now. Probably not, because I can barely hear myself. Oh my god, this helmet is noisy as fuck. Okay, they're not there anymore, so that means they have probably gone this way. That sounds good! Woo! Woo! Oh, it's not in free. Hello! What? The fuck are you guys doing?
Hey, man.
Bloody retarded. Smack him! Smack the shit out of that motherfucker!
Get out of here! Get out of here! Get out of here! What are you doing?
Thank you! Okay, let's get some shit fixed.
Bloody retarded, mate! Fucking A!
Well, that was amazing ride. It was great. Whoa! Whoa!